they all had to open up grocery stores, liquor stores, and dollar stores to survive because every other week they were getting laid off.
Yes, it was
Maybe have a
constant.
job, close the shop, close the factory. It was terrible.
Constant.
Then every other house block was abandoned. It was like
Oh yeah,
absolutely disgusting
it's
to buy the house
horrible.
for $100.
It's just
That's how bad.
horrible. And the other thing is, I don't know if you guys realize this, but during wartime, they turn all of those plants into assembly plants for war machines, right?
Yeah.
So back in the day, what would happen is, and this happened with my grandfather when he went to World War II, is then they brought all the women in because all the men were at war. So all the women came into those assembly plants and they were creating the aircrafts and the vehicles and the tanks and the army surplus, right? What would we have done if we didn't have those shops here? We couldn't have been able. That's why we were able to win wars and do the things, because we had these types of assembly plants and we were able to do the things that we were able to do. There's so much in our culture that people don't understand. And as soon as you start sending this stuff overseas and we lose more than just finances and stuff. We lose everything. We are the global power because of the things we do. So it's gotta be here. It has to be here, not
You lose
anywhere else.
dollars.
That's it.
You lose tax dollars. I mean, those
Lose
tax dollars.
everything. Yeah, Tifa,
Yeah.
all that stuff. Everything gone. Yep. So, anyways, it's 9:05. Let's kick some booty. It is Friday. We had a little bit fun this morning. If that was your first time, if you're a premium member, that's not what we normally do, by the way, in our VIP. We just had a little bit of fun. We listened to some music, had a couple laughs, right? We got Dawn over there. She was rapping. You can't go wrong with stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Richard was singing Belle Biv DeVoe. Who would have thought that? Not me. You know, it happens. So I like it. I like it. I like where you guys are going with that. Very nice. Moderators, we should be live on all the things.
Belle Biv DeVoe. What a name.
Now you know.
Now you
I'm
know.
gonna spit out my drink.
Biv DeVoe.
Yo, Slick, blow. You know,
Now you
I don't
know.
know. Yo, I don't know. We don't know what's going to happen on this program. You just don't know. That's why you guys got to tune in every day.
Hey, Coach, I think you'll like this, but in assisted livings, they use music as therapy, and it really works. Even if you lost all your mind, you can still remember to sing.
Absolutely. Oh, yeah. I've seen that. Yeah, I've seen pianists and stuff being able to play even though they can't, remember things. That's awesome. It gets ingrained, right? It's a different part of your mind.
Yep. Art therapy.
Yep.
Yeah, that movie called Shine.
Yep. Absolutely. All right. Moderators, make sure you can see us on all the things, please.
Fuck you.
By the way, huge shout out to Palm yesterday taking over the mentorship class. That's not an easy class. It's literally one of our hardest classes we have here. So the fact he was able to just jump in and take care of business lets you know the talent that we've got here. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
100%.
Great job.
Yeah, I mean, that's phenomenal.
Palm Coast is incredible.
Yeah, and I thought it would be cool too. I was hoping he was going to be the one. I asked all my training mods, but I know right now because he's on such a hot streak, I'm sure people right Palm were like, how you doing this? What'd you do? Where's it? Oh, it's great.
Fun.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, let's see. I'm just pulling up all the systems.
Hey, Coach.
Yes, go ahead.
How did Nate do yesterday?
How did Nate do yesterday?
Yes, sir.
That's a great question. Nate, do you want to elaborate on that? Are you able to? I don't know if he's in a trade.
I'm in a trade, but I'm fine. What's up?
I think he said he wants to know how you did yesterday.
Oh, I had a good day yesterday. $157,100. Well, $1.
There you go.
$157,001.
There you go. Now, Nate.
Yes.
I remember last time we talked, you were working towards that $1 million goal for the month. You had to have been real close, because
about 70,000 away. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys listen. He's almost at $1 million this month, so 70,000 away. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job. Palm, did you? Yeah. I don't want to put any pressure on you guys. I know, but I love hearing the hot streaks. Palm, did you hit $1 million this month?
1.47.
Yeah. Dang.
You guys are crazy. Oh, I love it.
Good nizzle.
Nice job. Good job.
Hey, Coach, I think whoever most amount, I think whoever makes the
Recording
most
in
amount,
progress.
Coach, I think whoever makes the most amount of money should own the mic.
No, that's just awesome.
Oh no, that
Yeah,
ain't gonna work.
no.
No, that's
It's
not
not a
gonna work.
competition. It's definitely not a
I'm being
competition.
funny. No, I'm being
Yeah,
funny.
yeah.
I'm sorry.
But I
Yeah.
love that you two are pushing each other, driving each other. I love that you guys are talking about it. So that's awesome. That's Government Cheese and Palm Coast getting it done. Nice job, everybody. Proud of you guys.
Go.
All right, real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, and Happily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko. And I wanted to thank my media team today. Thank you to Ed Tech and Nick. Thank you to my TikTok mods, Gilly, Diesel Dan, and everybody else that's helping out. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. You guys are absolutely amazing. Keep it up. Thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day, as well as our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you, Rons. Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, this is Friday. Let's see, last day of the month. Today, just so you guys know, is your last day to get a chance to spin the wheel of cash. Everybody in the month of January, if you've added any new additional services or upgraded, if you were VIP, went to gold. If you were premium, went to VIP. You added a mentorship. You became a Diamond Club member, like whatever it is. If you added a new service in the month of January, you were all automatically entered to win a chance to spin the wheel of cash for up to $10,000. Today is the last day. You'll be able to enter that. And I think what we'll do is we're either going to spin the wheel Monday or make it next Friday. I haven't decided yet. We might do it Monday. I'm not sure, but we might just make it like a fun Friday thing. So what I've got to do is we've got the list. I had my moderators continue to generate that list for us. We have to put all those members. I hope I'm not sure if the wheel's going to let us do it because we had so many people. If it does, great. If not, we'll find a way. But I want to do it live as always so you guys can see. It's always on the up and up. You guys can see exactly who won. You can see exactly what they won. But that's exciting. So if you guys are interested in signing up for any of our new memberships, use the discount code 2025 to take 25% off the first payment. Now, if you use it on a monthly, you're going to take 25% off the first month. You buy an annual, off the first, right? You're going to save a lot more. You buy it on lifetime, you're going to save a ton of money. I'm talking thousands of dollars, right? The only time you can't use it is if you get crypto, right? Because crypto right now, and I think this is the last week only because we did the mailer, but today was supposed to be the last day. Crypto, $500 for the whole year, $1,500 lifetime. It's ridiculous. If you guys are interested in the diamond, that is all of our services today and tomorrow. Anything we add, any of our new services that we add, it is a lifetime membership to all of our services, obviously excluding like one-on-ones. That's not a service. That's a one and done. But that is everything. And I've got it earmarked for what we have planned. So right now, as of today, with what we have earmarked, it's a $56,000 value. If you were to buy a lifetime membership for each of these that I have earmarked, it's $56,000. So get the diamond membership. We also have it in 4 easy payments. You guys can make 4 payments on it. So congratulations to those of you that have taken advantage of it. Bruno, do you have off the top of your head, or can you pull me the list of diamond memberships? Let's recognize them today.
Yep, I'll do it right now.
Thank you, partner. Also, if you guys want to get a one-on-one with me, you guys know I open that up about twice a year, literally twice a year. I do not do more than that. If you buy a diamond membership, you are going to get a one-on-one with me, right? If I give you some sort of deal or something with it, you're not. Obviously, the one-on-one's a $6,000 value. If you guys want a one-on-one with me, excluding diamond, and you just want to buy the one-on-one, we have 4 easy payments where you guys can do that as well, okay? So there's something for everybody. By the way, our regular monthly premiums start at $125. $125 a month. We reduced the price from $200 to $125. That's what we did in 2025. We started the year off. We lowered the price. Okay, that way everybody has an opportunity. There's no excuse. At $125, there is zero excuse for you not to be inside of that membership. So make sure you guys head over there. You can get all of this, by the way, by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com. I created the new website. I actually changed the way it looks. Let me show you real quick, just so we're all on the same page. So it'll be real easy for you. Here it is. You guys won't see it on the Discord, but you guys know what it looks like, right? Hold on. Actually, there it goes. All right, now it's working. Okay, so this is our website. If you guys just click on pricing up on the top, or scroll, you can scroll through if you want as well. But right here, these are the regular prices. Free, stocks and options, futures, crypto, everything else right here. I made it as simplistic and as easy to get to as you could possibly find, right? Very clean. Also, we've got videos. We're always updating our videos. We've got testimonials in here. So if you guys want to see actual members that have been a part of the group, you can see a little bit of what we're doing. 12 hours a day of trading, right? Daily hot stocks, the IPO. Some of these numbers are way old now. 120 in profits. We're closing it on 200 million. I mean, a lot of this retired over 170. We're way over 200. I know now. So a lot of these numbers are old, but that's okay. You guys get the idea, right? Okay, good. Let's see. Diamond members. Diamond members. Is this accurate? Wow, that's a lot of them.
Yeah, it's accurate, minus the one that I just said, yeah.
Yeah, nice. So it looks like Dana Lil. I hope I said that right. Sorry, it's really small on my screen. Joe, Jesse, NSEJ, Karen, and Derek, all diamond members. You guys will have lifetime access to all services today and in the future. Congratulations to you. A bunch of smart people right there. Very nice. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. All right, enough of my sales spiel. Thank you guys for allowing me to spend 10 minutes on that. Listen, I have to do it twice a day. That's what keeps the lights on. That's why we're all here. That's how we were able to generate hundreds of millions of dollars. So don't beat me up. If we didn't do it, you wouldn't be here. Richard, go ahead.
2 things, Coach. First, the specials end this weekend, people, for this month. Take advantage of it while you can, because it's a deal. But the second thing is, in the pre-market, there is an error on the entry on SPY. The first number should be a 6. The rest is correct. That's it. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Give me 1 second. Make sure. All right, here we go. Okay, good. I see that over on TikTok. Now listen, over on TikTok, if you guys are over there, if we get to 350 concurrent viewers today, you know what? Let's juice this up. You guys want to do something real stupid and crazy, ridiculous today? I bet you we can get the numbers up. You guys want to see how we can get the numbers up? I bet you do. Are you ready?
Always.
Here's what we can do. If you guys get to 400 viewers today, so what this means is sit in the room, double tap the screen, log in on your systems, share it out. If we get to 400 concurrent viewers, which we just did this 2 days ago when I was live, 400 concurrent viewers. I'm going to give 2 of you $250 cash. How's that sound? I'm watching you on TikTok. Type in a 1 on TikTok. If you guys want me to give away $500 in cash today, type in a 1 over on TikTok. There you go. There's a couple ways you guys can easily do that. Look at the numbers. Look at the viewership immediately start to go up. Isn't that crazy how this algorithm works? Isn't that insane? By you guys double tapping, typing in anything, clicking the little rose for a penny, and click the share button and follow, the numbers will spike. That's how you work. That's how you game the system. There it comes. The roses. Look at the viewer count. It's just spiking immediately. Thank you. Yes, I appreciate that. I see all the gifts coming in. It's crazy how the algorithm works. If you guys are over on YouTube today, we get 100 likes on YouTube, I will do a giveaway. How many viewers do we have over on Twitch? Moderators, can anybody see? Thank you, Philip. Kevin, I see you guys are fighting over there for the #1 gifter over on TikTok. Nice. I don't know how many viewers we have on Twitch. Let me see. Anybody? I know it's a low count over there. We need to get that up too. I want to see some activity, Twitch gang, if you guys are over there, right? So we're on all the platforms. Oh, good. I see YouTube starting to kick in now. Thank you.
Two over there, Coach.
There's only 2 over there. Yeah, I was going to say everybody's kind of shifted over to YouTube, which is fine.
I'm one of the 2.
Oh, yeah, I see the Demon Chef. David's now there. Angela, hello. I see you over there. Twitch is kind of just completely dying off, but I think that's because everybody is jumping over to YouTube because I can see YouTube is growing big time now.
Now we got 7.
Awesome. Thank you. Isn't that weird? Literally just, I don't know. It's crazy. But anyways, listen, we're going to have an amazing day. Real quick, legal, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. I don't want anybody to get your faces ripped off today. Make sure you follow all of our rules, right? Don't lose more than 1 to 3% total account. Stop losses on each and every trade. If you're a new trader, paper trade only. Do not use real money. Small position sizes. Stop out the losers. Let the runners run. Make sure you guys journal every single day. And don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader, or the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day if you're an experienced trader. I think we got them all. They're like Pokemon. Callie, IPOs are posted.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. No smoking today, right?
Yes, sir.
Callie's like, stop it. I'll do whatever I want. Love your face. Just want to make sure you're here with us for a very long time, okay?
Me too.
Thank you. Why do you sell courses if you're already a millionaire? Number 1, I don't sell courses. Number 2, I make millionaires. That's my job. Thank you. Happy Friday. Thank you, Maria. Good to see you over there. Appreciate all of you. Love you, love you, love you. Appreciate you. Moderators are standing by across the board, by the way, on all the things. Now, moderator, if you get anybody in there clowning, just make sure you mute them. You don't have to block them. Just mute them. They'll just sit there and talk to themselves. They'll help the algorithm. It's awesome. Thank you. Awesome experience. Thank you. I appreciate it. Today's Friday. We're going to have a little bit of fun. I'm not going to do all stocks all day, so don't freak out. It's Friday. I want to have a little bit of fun, so calm yourselves. We're here every day. By the way, we are the only company out here that does this. We trade and train 12 hours a day. We're here 6 days a week. We're live 3 days a week. We are literally the only stock market education. Why we're ranked #1, by the way, in service and products that we're doing, right? We've been top ranked since we walked in the door because we give you what I believe you need, which is the most training, the best training. We use the most advanced technology, right? We're always trying to stay ahead of the curve. All of us are inside of the news, so we let you know what's going on before anybody else. We set you up with success with things like that pre-market setup, right? That IPO center. right? All of this, the hot stock picks, we get your mind right. We're always talking about the psychology of trading. That's you guys know I live and breathe that. That's my jam. It's always been that way. Because I think if if you can't get your mind right, if you can't control your thoughts, if you can't control what you're doing with your trades, you're never going to be successful. That's why I spend so much time on it. So just stay the course, stay focused, stay diligent. And when you come in, right, and you get that membership, do not use real money. I'm telling you, you will be tempted. You're going to hear people in here literally making millions and millions and tens of millions of dollars. They have been working with me for a very long time. None of them were making that kind of money before here. They were here for a long time to get there, right? This is not easy. I don't want ideas of grandeur. I'm just going to come in and make $1 million too. Some of you will not be successful. Some of you will just quit. Some of you won't even stay the course. Some of you will blow your account up 6 times and be like, that's it. I guess trading's not for me. I'm out of here. I don't want that to be there, right? You shouldn't do that. Train before you trade. Don't use real money. If it was me and I could start all over again and I had a mentor, that I could do this from, I would seriously spend 6 to 12 months and I would just train my butt off. And I would just sit there and train and train and train and get my brain right and get everything I need, right? And the whole time I'd be working on my physical body, my mental strength, spiritual, whatever you need to do. I get things right. I would take that time and seriously change everything about who I am and what I'm doing while I'm doing this. Because this is going to take up your time. Because if you're serious and you're passionate about it, you are going to spend all of your time with this. So in that time, you also need to be working on everything else. Meditate, reflect, right? Relax a little bit. That's what we did this morning. Just kind of calm your mind. Just settle it down a bit, right? I know this is a exciting and nerve-wracking and roller coaster ride of emotions. And oh my gosh, I made so much money today. And oh no, I can't believe how much I lost. And oh my gosh, I made enough to buy a house cash today. And oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm going to struggle paying my bills today. It's this, right? Calm down, settle down. If you're finding yourself in these roller coaster situations, you're not ready to use real money. Settle down, get back to the basics. If you guys are having more red days than green, stop trading. 2 red days in a row, stop trading. Over trading in the day, causing you to go from green to red, stop trading. Journal. What is going on? Is there anything in my life that I can help fix? Is there something that is holding me back? Or is it just me getting in my own way? Is it greed? Is it fear? Is it stress? Am I not sleeping well? Am I not doing the right things? Am I not eating properly? Right? Everybody get on the same page. There's so much more to this. This is health and wealth, right? Speaking of health and wealth, by the way, I had the Christmas holiday and all that crap. I put a couple pounds back on. I'm like, that's it. Like, I'm done. We're not going through that again. I worked so hard for so long. And now I'm like, that's it. Put the cookie down, fatty. You're done. If you cannot check yourself, who is going to check you? Listen, we're all adults in this room. You must be, because you have to be over 18 years older to be in here. So listen, nobody is going to fix your issues. You need to fix your issues, right? It's not going to come from an outside source. There's not some magic thing that's going to happen in your lives that, it's you. Just like in this room when you're trading, it is you. You are clicking the mouse. You are clicking buy. You are clicking sell. You must be on point and laser focused. We'll have fun all the way around it, trust me. And if you're in a serious trade and we're all giggling and having fun, well then just do your serious trade. It's okay, right? We're here 12 hours, all right? Calm down. It's 12 freaking hours we're in here. And if you're a regular, you're 6.5 hours.
Morning, Coach.
Right? So you're all right. It's okay. Calm down. If we have a little bit of fun today, you're okay. Trust me. Sometimes I do it on purpose. So it's not just the center focus of your life. Like you need to do everything. Everything's got to be on point. That's why that journal is so important. What are the two things that I had you guys write in your journal? Tell me. You got 45 seconds to the bell. Laser focus and
Don't quit.
I will not quit. That's right. Those are the two things. Those are the two things. Right? So if we can't follow the rules. If we can't follow these basic rules, how are we going to get ahead? We've got 20 seconds to the bell. All right. Apple drove up in the pre-market. We'll see if it pulls. 248 is going to be everything for Apple today. Above it, bullish. Below it, not so much. We're going to see what it does. Everybody, let's have a great day. Let's end this week. Amazing. We've had a couple people already make close to $1 million or almost over. Congratulations to you. You know who you are. Let's have an amazing day. Everybody follow the rules today, please. Today I'm going to be trading futures. Here we go.
That's slowly upside.
Thank you. I'm watching for Apple. There goes your Apple pullback. Just like we talked about government cheese. See it? Good job. No,
Microsoft Yellow.
Thank you. No, I am watching SPY and ES Futures. So SPY, you guys are going to be watching around 608, which was the pre-market high. You can see it hit 608.20. So you're going to pay attention to that, all right?
Tesla near high.
Thank you. Apple still pulling back. As anticipated. Let's catch those 2-minute EWOs when they're time, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you let me know.
Roger.
Piton up 2.4%. Keep an eye on Peloton today for small accounts.
Tesla's looking really good to the upside.
Thank you. Tesla's still to the upside. Soxel, great for small accounts. Tesla's just ripping over here. Tesla continuing to climb. Tesla coming up on resistance around this 406. You'll have a 406, a 409, and a 412.50. Those are your next resistance levels on Tesla, everybody. Be careful. Apple still to the downside.
Amazon to the upside above pre-market level.
Thank you. SPY still has not made a move. I have not entered any trade yet. If I do, it's going to be a small setup. I'm literally still waiting. Apple's still pulling. This is what we were talking about. Apple's now down a full % from the open. Isn't this exactly what we talk about every day and in the VIP and pre-market this morning? Yes? Christina, that's why I said I would set up for the pull more than anything else, right? Good job. There goes Tesla on that 406. It hit 406.50, pulled back. Yeah, absolutely, Diesel Dan. No problem. Good job. Tesla pulling back again, like I said, at that 406.50. I'm seeing SPY and ES Futures pulling back here now. I have not entered any trade yet. Okay, here we go. 608.90, 607. All right, I'm going to be watching SPY to 607 if it pulls to pre-market low off this spot. Not entered any trade yet. It's 9:33. It's been 3 minutes. Is everybody still okay? You guys all right? Everybody's not freaking out, right? Everybody's cool? Okay.
Super green Google.
All right, good.
No, I'm just watching you, Coach.
All right. Good. I'm going to flip SPY up here on the big screen. You can see Tesla is now trying retest. Okay. SPY right here. I'm going to go in smaller if it breaks below the 9, but I'm waiting. And what I'm looking for, if and only if it breaks this 9 and 21. So what I'm going to look for is right here. I'm going to look for the pull to here. That's my trade. It's the only trade I've got set up right here. Just got in that trade, by the way. I don't know why it didn't alert. I'm in that trade to the downside. There it goes. Nice pull. There she goes. There's the flush. Moving my stop. I want to see that come down to that 607 here. Oh, I just got stopped out. It wicked me out. That's okay. It's all right. Made $125. All right. Let's wait. Obviously, it didn't want to get to 607, did it? That's why I protect my trade. So once it goes green, I pull my stop. Why is this not making noise over here?
Order filled.
That is late. Okay, we'll try it again. That was not me filling an order, by the way. That's not me entering a trade. I clicked on the system that speaks, and it said it. That was not me entering a trade. I'm not in a trade right now, just so you guys know. Looking for the setup to the downside again. Same drill. Breaks below the 21. I'll enter. It's going to be a tight move. Otherwise, I'm just waiting. Apple still to the downside. Congratulations on everybody on Apple who shorted that at the open, just like we had anticipated, talked about, prepped, and planned for, right?
That's right, Coach.
Yes.
We need a break and hold below 245.
That's right. That's me, by the way. I just got in that short. Did everybody hear it?
Yep. How did you make that sound, Coach?
It's tied into my system on Trade Evade.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, look at that. That's nice. Yes. Come on, see a little more. I'll take it.
Order filled.
Oh, that's nice. Did anybody make any money off that? That break of that 21? That's nice.
Yep.
$80 stopped out. Thank you, Coach.
Yep, nice job. I went a little heavy, so I got out a little heavy, or got out quick because I'm looking for that bounce on 607. I don't want to be that heavy. I just ordered too high. I went 15. I shouldn't have. I should have just did 5 off that. That's why I got in and out. Apple continuing to the downside. You guys are literally making a lot of money now. Crazy amount of money on that. Good job. 2-minute EWO on Apple, by the way, to the downside. Nice pull on Apple, though. Oh, my gosh.
Yes.
Who's
Oh my
making
God,
$1 million
Coach.
Beautiful
on
thing.
that? Woo!
$1,200.
Yes. Christina, do you see why I said down instead of that straddle or strangle out of it, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Good job.
Checklist is helping, Coach.
Yes, yes. Same with government
Google,
cheese on the assist on that one. Thank you, partner. He said it too. He knows what up.
Thanks, Nate.
All right, look at this bounce here on SPY 607. If that can break and hold above VWAP, then the next trade is up to the 200. Everybody sees it, but it's going to be a small move. I'm in it.
Order filled.
There it is. Nice pop. Nice. There it is. I'll take it.
Order filled.
$250. If it breaks the 200, I'll enter again. Only doing 5 contracts at a time. So far up $300 after fees and all that garbage. Not swinging for the fences here. Just making nice little moves. The reason why that is too, by the way, is nothing's showing me anything, right? This is kind of just choppy chop, right? Did you guys notice I collected when I hit the 200?
Yes, coach. Good job.
Yep. If it breaks this 200, I'll look at entering again. If
That's
not,
my new high.
thank you. If not, I'm just waiting for it to pull below that 21 again, right? Over and over, gang. Just waiting on that. Apple, who's still in that on the downside there? Wow.
Still in it.
I am.
Great.
Nice.
Great job. Good
Shaved
job.
twice.
Just took a tiny nibble of the cookie just to lock in some gains, but still in it.
Yes. It's still moving nicely. Good job. Still waiting. Snow is up 3%, Lucid 2.5%.
Coach, what do you think of Google?
Let me take a look now. Oh, Google looks great. As long as you stay above this, what is this, 204.70, you're golden to the upside. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Okay, thank you, Coach.
Yeah, we don't have any new level because it's been so high.
Right. Yeah,
Years.
that's beautiful. All right, setting back up now on SPY and or ES futures. Still looking to go long here. Only if I can break and hold on that upside, and only if I can, right? And remember, it's going to be a quick pop to 608. So there is not a lot of room here, right, gang?
Nope.
I mean, not at all. Because up there at 608, I'm going to flip that to go downside, right?
Yep. I'll take that risk.
Yep, same.
Tesla broke the top, big time upside.
Thank you. Tesla continuing to climb. Nice job. Yeah, my 2 minute.
NVIDIA forming
Order
a double
filled.
top.
There it goes.
NVIDIA first green.
See SPY up here?
Yeah, so cautious right there.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Well, if it reverses, I'm literally going to reverse the trade. Oh, it's just
Nobody wants to stick their neck out.
They don't either. It's so dangerous up there. The closer you get to that.
Yep.
Oh, don't like that. Nope, flipping it.
Order filled.
Do not like, but you're right. It is just in limbo.
You're like, you go. No, you go. No, you go.
Exactly. Like, well, who's going to show their hand, right?
Yep.
Yeah, this is way up here. This is why I went in small too. Anytime I'm in these weird, uncharted, like, oh, I'm not 100% sure, I'll go in really small.
The two candles on ES at the top look like to the downside. Careful.
Well, yeah, and if you guys look at our 2-minute EWO indicators, it's on the ceiling, right?
Right, I'm on the 2 minute.
Apple is still pulling.
Yes,
Just
coach.
now recorded.
For it to make up its mind.
SMCI jumping up.
Thank you for your training, Coach, Nate, all of you guys.
My system just crashed over here.
Guys are killing it on Apple.
I think today, this is gonna be my best day.
Oh,
I'll
good.
disclose that.
Good.
Nice.
I'm having a major issue. Bear with me a second. This whole system crashed.
I'm right in there with you, David.
I'm shaving too fast. Yes, sir.
On your baby.
Oh my gosh, what is going on?
Nate, are you shorting or you got puts?
I've got puts on Apple. I've got a bag load of them.
Oh,
Yeah.
Nice. How many did you get?
150.
Oh, man.
Wow, that's a bushel.
Nice
Nice
job.
job, government cheese.
Yes.
Damn,
Yes.
Nate ate the apple.
damn.
Good job.
I told y'all what I was gonna do. I told
It's
y'all.
got the apple tree.
What is
Wait till he sheds himself.
I was like, hint.
Yeah, my
Well,
whole
see, now you got to work on the shaving. Even if you get rid of one at a time.
Right, or
Yes.
50.
David, I have not
Locking
shaved
some
in
gains.
time.
Yeah.
David, how many years I've been trying that? Come on now. Come on.
Well, I figured the longer we both double
Yeah,
team
yeah,
on
like
it, we
yeah,
might
yeah.
eventually crack.
Yeah. I love it.
Well, like remember
Quadruple
Mashulo?
team. Me,
It
Mark.
took forever with Mashulo for her to actually do it a couple of times.
Yes. And remember, I would sit there and be like, "Okay, make sure you did," and then I would say, "Okay, you would have been up 90,000."
Yeah.
Look
at that.
Yes.
Coach, I just
Statement.
went over my short for the day. Oh my God.
Oh, nice job. You're
Yeah,
what?
it's
You're
pulling
shorting
hard.
Apple?
Yes.
Good job.
It's pulling hard.
You just think it's pulling hard. The L2 tells me it's not.
First 15-minute candle didn't break on that.
Just a little breathe back. That's all it was.
I'm looking at the
Start
charts.
bouncing VWAP.
The EMAs are all far apart, nice and wide, like that. It's the only thing that helped me in it. I looked at those, or else I would have gotten out one on a green candle.
Yeah,
What did I tell you? See that? That was just a little breathe back. The L2 is telling me to keep going.
Good job.
Oh my God.
EMA's like diving through VWAP, so it's a good sign.
Let me take a look at what you guys are looking at. Sorry, my whole system. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Christina,
Yes.
tell me you're okay.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm up $2,500 so far.
Oh my gosh, that's what I'm talking
know.
about.
Oh, I needed this day. Oof.
I'm glad you're
Coach,
getting it.
if I were to close out right now, it'd be my best day ever.
Oh wow, great job.
I got 9 runners.
Oh.
9 runners, so I'm gonna. It's good. It's better than average day, so.
Good for you, man. I'm glad, everybody.
This is one-on-one time to sign up with David, isn't it?
It is. David's pretty booked up right now because of my ridiculous super sale stupidness that I do all the time, but that my moderators love when I do that and open the floodgates.
Look at it. It's pulling hard.
Yeah, it's still going. This is why we said, right? It's because it
Yes.
had such a massive pop in the
That's what we
pre-market.
said.
Yep.
That's what we
Profit
said.
That's right.
collecting.
That's
A
what
stop
we
loss
said.
getting triggered.
All right, I'm gonna have to exit this stupid position because, yeah. So I was using TradingView was connected, and my whole TradingView crashed. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I'm gonna have to get out of this trade. Yeah, Apple, did it find support? Is there anything at 241.80 that you guys should be aware of?
Yes, and their time frames 241.75 area was real strong.
Okay, so that's a collection point.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm shaving.
Nice job.
First screen, Microsoft.
Nice job. So government cheese got over a mil, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's over $1 million for this month, by the way. You know, it's funny when I talk about the numbers that we do and everybody hears, right, that we're closing in on like 200 million and people are like, there's no way. I've got 2 people right now this month. Between 2 people, that's $2.5 million. With just 2 people. We have, right, 10,000 people here. 2 people have done 2.5 million. So when I say those numbers, are you guys now like, oh, okay, I guess there could be. Right?
You have hundreds of witnesses, Coach. Since
Yes.
January of 23, you told us when we had 30 million in the group, and now look at it.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, Jimmy did 28 million. Brady did 30. Do the math. Do the math, right?
You haven't heard from they might be 5 million.
That's what I'm saying. And that
Paul has
was a year ago, right? So that's what I'm saying. So when you guys hear the numbers, you're like, that can't possibly be. It adds up quick over here at American Dream Trading because we have the best traders in the world. Oh, and Mark was 22 million. Palm, there's no telling how much because he's done so many millions since he's joined American Dream Trading. It's not even funny. Look at that pull on SPY. Yes. Woo wee.
And Amazon, yeah, hi there. Microsoft second green.
Oh, look at this. Yes.
Coach, Tesla continue right in the 9.
Oh, good. Good for you. Nice work, everybody.
This is amazing, Coach. Tesla is being
Order filled.
this morning.
Good job. I'm going to get out of this trade. I don't even know how to use this.
Tesla's also contesting its past resistance from earlier this week as well.
Is it? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. You guys, this is ridiculous that I'm not able to be in this trade. This is so stupid.
There's a pool coming up in the market right now. Be careful.
I don't know what is going on. Nice job, everybody, on all that money. I'm loving it.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good job.
All because of you. All the stuff that you teach us and all the moderators.
Good job. I've got to open a help desk ticket. I'm missing all this money. This is ridiculous. Come on, man. Frustrating. I can't even see.
Well, SPY's bouncing around VWAP, Coach, up and down above it.
Nice job. I think I've made like $600 or something stupid today. I should be up thousands.
Where's your backup? You got your phones?
Well, this is a completely different system that I'm using. I'm using TradingView connected to my Tradeovate.
Oh.
Yeah, this is something you guys have never seen before. You guys just keep trading. I have to keep working on this. You guys just keep doing what you're doing. You know what to do.
Meta is still climbing up. It's
Thank you.
beautiful. I'm sure Nathan is in it.
Okay, so Apple did exactly what we said, right? That bounce, what it hit, 241.53. It's on the 9 right now. I'm pulling back. Nice. Isn't that where we add off the 9? Because if it breaks above it, you can just get right back out of some of it, right? Isn't that how we do it, advanced traders?
Yeah, I jumped in and I wake up to the 21 on the 1 minute.
Yes.
About 50%.
Google on your high.
All right, let's see. So SPY's making a move to the upside here. Watching that 608. I'm going to try to trade off this other system. I've never used this before. We'll see in a minute. Coach, you're crazy. This is gonna be stupid if this is wrong. I better go small.
60814 is double top on SPY.
Yep, I see it.
You'll be okay, Coach. You can do it.
That's right. This is
CYCN for small accounts.
A minute.
symbol should be specified. Are you serious? Oh, okay. Don't even. Okay, 60811. Here we go. Coming up.
Use a rip into the upside.
Are they okay? Thank you. SPY right here. It's double top.
Order filled.
I don't know if I got in that late or not. We're about to find out. We got a very tight stop on here using a completely different system. See if we can get this pullback. That's 60820. If it doesn't, I'll get out fast just because I'm not used to this system.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Only Apple is pulling.
Could you take a look at Google, please?
In a trade right
the
now.
upside looking good.
Thank you. I was just going to say, can somebody look at it? Thank you. Is there anything, what's the next level resistance for them?
No, it's gonna be every 50 cents.
Okay. Oh, because it's so high. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, it's so high. It's new high.
There you go.
Tesla's breaking that resistance level.
To the upside. Okay. Thank you. SPY is tapping on that 60811. Everybody see it?
Yeah, waiting. Waiting.
Oh, I'm in shorts.
No, I know you are.
Yeah.
He's scalping.
Yep. I am right on the cusp. Waiting. See what we got.
Waiting.
Just being patient.
Because in that channel, it's been kind of yonky, funky yonky.
Yep. There we go. There it is. Come on, baby. Come on.
That's
break that 9 and go. Still sitting here. Unfortunately, I can't move a stop or anything with this new system. I haven't used this at all as my backup. So I'm literally just buying an order and selling an order. And then later today, guess what I'll be doing? Mastering this new system in the event of a failure. But at least I can trade in and out of it. Trade one, you can trade them all. It's very basic. Sitting on the 9. Need to see that breakthrough. Because if that bounces off the 9 and gets strength back to the upside, that's not going to be good. That'll be bullish. Still being
my
patient.
God, pre-market crew. TCTM got in that this morning at 38.62. Go check it out.
Oh, nice job. How about
pulling,
this?
Coach. It's pulling on SPY a little bit.
How about
Should be in the
this?
green.
Show of hands. Show of hands who bought in when I said when Apple touched the 9, advanced traders.
I did.
Yes, sir.
I did, Coach.
Good job.
Yeah.
I was late. I'll pay mine.
Good job.
You needed
Order
nice
filled.
stop on that trade. Nice stop.
I'm gonna take that. I took my $500 on this trade.
70 up right now.
100% on Apple runners.
100%. How are you doing right now, David? Where are you at? How much are you up?
So I've locked in over 4,800.
Oh my gosh, dude, you're killing it. Love it. Love it.
Nice, baby. Nice.
All right, now listen, gang. You guys are on a double bottom on Apple, right?
And then also 241.75 area was pretty strong from previous time frames as well.
Got it. Good. You guys are on a double bottom, right? Everybody's being cool?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Christina, what are you up? $1 million?
No, I was up 25, but then with the green candles, it dropped me. I'm at 1,300. So I'm still up. I don't know what
Wait.
happened.
Did you sell anything?
No, well, yeah, I did sell some, but still, I sold it when it was up. I sold it.
Okay. All
I
right.
saved some. I have to
Okay.
save some.
All right. I just want to make sure I get you rich.
Oh yeah, no, I got locked in. I saved.
Okay.
But,
All right.
I still got some left. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Whew. All right. Freaking me out.
Well, she almost broke the desk.
I know it, man. I got him. Listen, I got to take care of my peoples.
I know. Oh, yeah.
I thought she was about to broke you.
Coach, the real question with Christina is, did you put a stop?
Yep.
Oh,
Okay.
good point. Good
Both in
point.
line.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Good point. I
Keep
like it.
change.
I like the way
Spy
you're
is
rolling.
retesting the double top, coach.
I see it. I'm setting up now.
That's a new high.
Thank you.
Tesla is a beast.
Tesla new high. I love it.
Meta new high, Tesla new high, Apple new low, Google new high.
Spy on the
Picking
ceiling.
poison.
Spy's on the ceiling. Double top. Big old top.
Looks like a spy is respecting like a little channel to the upward.
It is. That's why. Yeah, it is. That's why I sold it when it came back to VWAP, right? Yeah, absolutely.
If we get any support on Apple, Spy's gonna fly.
Yeah. I just entered long on Spy to stay above. If it can't hold up here, obviously I'll get right out. But
I don't like that candle.
But yeah, Spy pushed pretty nicely back off that 9 again. It's respecting this 9. You guys all see it?
Yeah.
And that's what I like to see. Apple, that was that double bottom bounce. Did everybody collect? Nice job. Good job.
Yep.
Nice work. Spy. This pulls back. It's we're gonna be looking for us retest of this 9 again. I don't know if
Hey, Coach, could I say something to Dawn?
Go ahead.
Dawn, how you like TCTM now?
I just looked at it and said, "Holy shit!"
It really popped. It's unbelievable.
That's
isn't it?
awesome.
God.
Good job. Everybody rock and roll. I love it. All right. Spy and ES futures just sitting here. I am in a long, just so you guys know, not for you to mirror or mimic my trades. I don't want anybody. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. There's 1,000.
Support on Apple.
Oh,
Yes.
nice,
Yes.
nice.
There it goes, Coach.
Yep. Just took 1,000.
Hey, Dawn, I hope you sold.
Good job. Oh, somebody's dying.
Dang, what was that?
I don't know. Somebody coughed up a frog. What the hell was that?
Made my hand twitch and I got out of my audio.
Yeah, goodness gracious. Did you guys hear that? You made him bump his mouse and made an extra 50,000.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this was awesome, Coach. Such a great feeling. I did exactly what I'm supposed to do.
Oh, good job. Doesn't it feel good when it's right?
It's awesome.
And Coach, you said it, when Apple gonna bounce back to the upside,
That's
that it will
right.
take Spy with it, and it did.
That's right. And then we had that nice blast through, right, where we all went long, and it's beautiful. Good job.
Well, I just want to give an example of how we know that Apple doesn't move very fast, but
Right.
those 2 candles in Apple knocked out 45% in contracts.
Oh my
Oh, yeah.
gosh. Yeah.
That's why I got out.
Yeah, that's
David,
why we
that's why I
gotta
got out
collect.
when I saw
Yeah,
that
me
green.
too.
Yeah, you have to collect, right?
Yeah. When I saw that green one, Coach, with that wick on the bottom, I'm
Yeah.
out.
Yep.
You
Yep.
got to tell me.
Yeah, you
You
gotta
cross that
collect.
9, I'm done.
Yep. Gotta collect.
Yeah.
But it's the last runner, so he can run, until the 21. I don't care.
Yep.
Well, I
don't care.
got two runners, so I'm gonna get rid of one of them if we break over 243.50 area and hold,
Yep.
and that would
There
probably
you
be
go.
over the 21 as well. And then I'll
There
leave
you
my
go.
last one to test VWAP, but
Yep.
they're free. I'm up. Well, I've already locked in. Let's see now, about 5,000.
Oh
And so
my
I've got
Yes.
two
gosh.
runners left that
Nice.
have open like 300 in profit.
Great job, partner.
Very good. Nice.
Love to hear it. Love to
Coach,
hear
the
it.
2 minute the 2 minute looks like on Futures ES to kind of hang in there a little bit and stay off the mouse.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, don't be dinking with nothing, right?
That's 71,000 on that Apple, Coach.
Order filled. Whoa.
Wow, nice job.
Nice.
You riding that spy, Coach?
I am. I just collected another $500.
Yeah, me too. I shaved up here at this 608.70.
Yep, it's starting to get a little heavy, so I took it.
Previous level here 608.80. Anyway.
Oh, this is fun. I'm over here trading off a new system. This is a good time. Good times were had by all. I'm over here working the things and doing the stuff.
Good times.
Do you use Ninja system?
I have before a long time ago, but I'm using Tradeovate right now.
Okay, got it. Thank
Yep.
No,
Hey,
don't
Coach,
be
I gotta
tempted,
tell you
don't
something. Sorry.
Nate, I'm up.
Coach, take a look at
Oh,
NVIDIA.
Yeah,
No,
oh
no.
yeah, that's beautiful. That means Soxel, right? I called that earlier. Oh my gosh. Who did this? Who did Soxel, right?
I'm in Soxel.
Oh, thank you. Glorious. Sorry, Nate. Go ahead, partner.
No, I was telling Noonie she's supposed to not be trading.
Oh.
Trading.
Oh,
I'm
Noonie.
up $370.
We knew it.
See that? I knew she
Yes.
couldn't do it. I knew it.
And Noonie, you're violating your own rule.
We knew it, Noonie. You
Yeah,
knew too well, girl.
100%
He said,
correct,
you're not gonna come
guys.
in and say I'm up this much today.
You
He
guys,
said, no.
now listen, you guys want to know why? Listen, we calmed her mind down this morning with our easy playlist. We got her fully relaxed and ready to go, right?
Yes, Coach.
Yes,
Woosah.
Coach. I gotta tell you something, Coach. For the last 3 weeks, all my spy trade, without exceptions, have been all green.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
I finally put it together.
Yes, good job. Good job. Rob over on TikTok says that PLTR is taken off. Thank you for that. Good call out.
Coach, can you check out Tesla, please?
I'm on it.
Tesla just sit there marinating. That's what it's doing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Tesla hit every level we had charted
Yep.
out. Last
When it
one I
broke
marked was at 416.50. So
Yeah,
it's
I got 415. When it broke 415, you was gonna get $2 more out of it. So
Yep.
it's done its run.
Yep. Let me
Look at how it's rolled to 9 all the way up. I mean,
yeah,
it's-
that's
Yeah.
perfect. That's what you want, right?
yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Next 418. Let me look.
If it bounces here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, those are all your major levels. We had 412.50 all the way to 415 to 416.50 to 418. Those are your levels.
Yeah.
Like the little mountain climber on The Price is Right.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. Oh, my. That is awesome.
That's funny. That spy moving up again.
Oh, crap. While I'm over there looking at stuff, hanging out with my friends.
Dinking around.
Yep, dinking around, trying to make sure you guys are
It's
millionaires. So this is why the haters always come in. Well, how come you're not making millions in trading?
This is your teaching.
Helping us.
Because it's my job to make sure you guys are in your trades, right? Not mine.
Yes, sir. Every day, discipline,
Yeah.
following rules.
The haters have no idea what they're missing anyway, so
Here goes Spy.
it's on them,
Here goes
not on
Spy.
us.
Watch for Spy to come back to 608 here then.
Order filled.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I don't think the haters realize how much money you could make if you just traded every day.
Oh
No,
yeah, this could
just
be
by
next
yourself.
level. Yeah, with the
Oh,
time that I have.
Go, baby, go. Kiss that 21.
I'm down, get down there.
That's a nice pull on SPY.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
It's right at a 9 right now.
Yep.
So be
Taking
careful
it.
right there.
Taking it.
More.
Yeah, I took it too.
Yep. I got the 21 right there, and it's close to that 608. I'll take it.
Close enough, yeah.
Yep, close enough. That's what I'm saying.
What happened to our energy this morning? It didn't come in, did it? 10 o'clock?
Oh,
Yeah, I missed it.
We had consumer came out this morning.
We were focused on SPY. That's what happened.
Coach, we were also busy with trades that nobody even pay attention to the 10 o'clock.
I know it. Everybody's just making
Oh,
fat
that explains why
loops.
SPY skyrocketed. We didn't even put it together.
There goes SPY again with that bounce.
Tail play to the upside.
Yes. Yep.
Order filled.
Yes.
Coach, because of your training, I caught the bounce again, got out, got back in, whole account's up 13%.
Nice job.
All right, y'all, look at Tesla again. It's making the next run. Here we go. It done broke it.
Good job. Look at SPY over here taking that.
Order filled.
Double topish.
Yeah, double topish. That's why I did it right there, Palm. If it breaks, I'll hammer it again to the long.
Here we go. 420. Here we go.
A minute.
Order filled.
Look at Apple still pulling.
Looking for that possible 609 for SPY, Coach.
Yes. I don't know why my trade is flat here. I don't like that. That's weird.
Days like this, it seems like we've seen SPY jump up 2, go down 50 cents or about.
Did you say 609, Eric?
Yep.
Yeah, agree.
Yeah, I got a gold line there.
Then I'm out. Then I'm out. Thank you.
609. We got a resistance there.
Yep. All right. Thank you. I'll mark mine as well. Gold. I just got out based off of your call out.
No pressure, Eric.
Yep.
Yeah,
Way
Rich,
to go,
telling
Eric.
Coach not to trade SPY. That's awesome.
Well, I
You have to
haven't had
rename
a
those
chance to
cookie
look
lines.
back because I'm working on a different system. So I'm manipulating a different system off my chart.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell at 609.
You guys want to see what I'm doing, by the way? This thing is ridiculous. Hold on. Here, let me flip this. Can you guys see that?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
What is it?
This is Trade Evade. So give me one sec.
No, I mean, what ticker?
Oh, ES Futures.
Coach, I didn't think you liked that trade of 8.
I don't ever use it. My trading view crashed, so I can't use it. So I have to
okay, 'cause
use
I'm
the
bad.
back end system. All right, so yeah, we're up here on the 609. So I'm looking for a flush. There it goes.
Order filled.
You guys see the P&L right here and the total P&L for the day? Listen how quiet it is in here right now.
I grab puts at 609. We gotta listen to Eric.
There it goes.
Order filled.
Did you guys see that?
Yep.
Nice.
And do you see why I took it? Do you see what the 9 is?
Yes, right under all those candles.
Yep. Now, if this breaks below this 9, I'm going to hammer this bigger. But if it bounces, I'm going to go long again. Look at Apple. Apple getting ready to make new lows again.
Here we go, Eric.
Order filled.
All right, this one I hammered a little bit. See if we can get this. All I need is a slight pull from the 9 to the 21. But if it bounces, you're going to see that P&L just rip my skull out. You guys see it?
Yes. And most all big seven are pulling a little bit.
Yeah, this needs to get moving.
It'll help.
There it goes. Oh, what? Why did it do that? Come on, where are you going? Wrong way. Don't do that.
6 and 9 away.
Order filled.
I'm out. It respected the 9. I don't want that. Gave some back on that trade. I went in larger on that trade, anticipating the pull. Oh, come on.
Yeah, they all falling.
Yeah, but it's
Keeps on back.
a dangerous spot. Wanted to just drop the hammer with 15 contracts in here. But now I've got to be patient. You see the way it's riding this 9? We don't want that. That's indecisive for me. This has to break above 609 or get below this 9, which is going to be below this 21 now because you can see where the candle is. So now the setup is long above 609, short below the 21. You guys see it?
Forward.
Yep.
Gotta do some work to chew through that 609 though.
Yeah, I need some volume to come in there. Yep.
Yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of little baby pullbacks up there to shake the fleas off.
Yep. While we're doing that, let me go back in time. See what we're working with. All right. I got 609. Let's see. Yeah, it's literally almost every 50 cents up here.
That's where we're trying to find support last time. It challenged that 610, 611 range.
Yep.
And then it broke through to the downside. That's gonna be tough. SPY is literally on a macro double top.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Tesla could make a new high up there. It's looking like it's going to the downside.
Let's take a peek. Yep, I see it. Yeah, we had it charted up to 418 on that run. Did everybody get up there? Right there. Look at that.
Yeah. Indeed, Coach.
Nice job.
Hey, Dawn, get in your position, Dawn.
All right, Q's.
Yeah, sold off.
Yeah, TCTM 255. That's what you guys are on.
It's about to pop again.
Man.
So your 2-minute ES futures are showing to the upside.
Yeah. I'm loaded up big here if this pops.
But it needs to go above 609, right, on SPY?
Correct.
Yeah,
Break
okay.
and hold.
Yes,
Not
break
just
and
up,
hold.
break
Yeah,
and
not
hold.
just pop through and then you go heavy and then it knife drops and
No.
rips your face
Pop
off.
and hold.
Yeah.
Yeah, because and look at the 9 is getting so close, right? So this is channeling up into pop or drop.
Yeah, it's gonna start curling on you.
Yep, because it is flagging all the way up in there now. You guys see this?
Oh, yeah. Hopefully Apple can help one way or another.
Well, I put the Qs up there. I'm not following Apple because Apple's downside and SPY's up. Therefore, I'm
So you
using
have
the
the
Qs.
Q, okay.
Yep.
Interesting.
Apple's being Apple.
Yeah, it's
You're right. I mean, it's
you
but
guys know
what I'm
how,
thinking is it can amplify the movement. If it, like for example, if earlier Apple bounced it back, it really helped it.
so you guys know how a lot of times, right? I will use Apple to go with SPY. Well, if they're in both opposite directions, you don't want to be using that for anything, right?
Yep.
Paul, what trading platform would be best to use over on our own Zoom? You should be over on Webull. Make sure you go to our discounts and get yourself a bunch of free shares using my free affiliate link. All right, waiting.
Come on, a little bit more.
Q's still running up. Same thing though, all consolidating. Two-minute EWO is still great. Go ahead, Palm.
It did this yesterday when it was looking to push through. It just sat there and consolidated forever.
Yep. Yeah, and the crazy thing is when it pops, it rips, and then you're like, oh, now I'll get in, and then it pulls back, and you're like, oh. Right? So it's almost
you're
like
getting too late, and then
it's almost like you
screwed.
got to do it ASAP with a tight stop, right? And then but be small so you can catch the run, and if it does drop, it doesn't blast you, right? That's the ideal setup is smaller position size, long with a little bit looser stop to allow this to play in here. And then when it pops, you can add in, but then catch some of the money. Because right now, the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to wait for the break and hold. I'm going to go in a little heavier. That way I can shed faster in the event it does pull back. Dylan says, what membership is being a part of these morning trades? All of our members right now have access to Zoom, which they're all watching me live. And there's 440 people in the room. Right here, Palm, see this? This is everything.
Yep.
This is the moment right here, gang. It's on this baby trend. So if this breaks through to the downside, I'm looking for a bounce off the 21 and shoot straight back up. So this is why I would not go heavy on this break, but I would go some in because we're already up at 6-0. I got to set this up. You guys,
just in case, coach, we still seeing where you got the
old system.
Oh yeah, my bad. You guys
You know, we will.
Oh, my bad. Okay, hold on. All right, there you go. How's that? Oh, and I missed the trade.
There we go.
Just that
Thank
fast.
you.
I missed the whole trade.
Ooh, look at that pull.
Yeah. Oh, it's a beautiful.
This is why we wait,
Order
by the
filled.
way.
Yep. I missed most of that run, but there it
Derek,
is.
you got that magic 8-ball.
Oh, I'm in it, Gilly. And he said
21%.
it's testing the 21 right now.
Order filled.
Oh man. Well, I got $375 of it, but I could have had about $1,500 of it if I wasn't flipping screens.
I went into calls off that last support.
Oh, nice. Off that 55 bounce.
Yep.
Yep. I
Still
collected
strength to the upside.
I collected right there on that bottom.
Perfect.
Now I want to see if it can get back above that 9. But do you guys see the way that I had this trend line drew out? And I told you any second, right? It has to make that move. And it was starting to get really squirrely in that channel.
That was a nice flea shaker move.
Oh yeah, and that's when I had that bleed out, right? And because I was late to the party, I still caught the tail end of it, right? And you guys know how you'll hear me say that, right? Even if it's running, I'll still catch a piece of it. Just like here, I want to set up to the upside again, but since it's showing me 609 as a major level of resistance, I have to be patient here. I just have to be patient.
That's the final support.
Coach, how do you feel about that 20 minutes after the hour thing when the industrial guys sit down? Richard was saying sometimes that applies. And that happened right at 20 after the hour.
After I wasn't privy to that information.
It was about the industrial traders sitting down at their desk at 19, 20 minutes after the hour and they make a move.
Nope, never seen that. Could be, but I've never. Oh, here we go.
Still in it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Order filled.
That's a good push.
You guys slid my stop up.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. I'm following you.
Yeah, that's nice. You had that nice, beautiful bounce off that 55. Nice push to the upside through the 21. back to 609, which is bullish at this point. I like it.
You're 2 minute too, coach.
Yes, yes.
See if this can go.
Yeah, this is the move, right? This is for all the marbles.
Yep.
Otherwise, lights out again.
Yep. I've seen that double pullback before. Now it's time to see if they got what it takes to move it.
Well,
It was just a big bull on Microsoft.
I like the fact that it bounced off that 55 down there. Like it didn't start the run to the downside. You know what I mean? There we go. There we go.
All right.
Yes.
My stop.
Taking it.
Order filled.
That's $1,000. I went heavy on that one. I had 15 contracts on that one.
Yeah.
Wow.
I went a little heavy too, coach.
Yep.
Out of it, of course.
Yep, same. You heard mine, Phil, and get out.
I'll wait for another setup.
Apple, lower day.
Thank you.
And Microsoft's pulling still.
5 minutes to 10:30.
Oh, Apple new low a day. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, you guys.
I'm back up 123% on the runner.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And look at it. Look at the 9 on the 2 minute. Look at it. It is perfect textbook, right?
Straight down, coach.
Oh my gosh. Look at here, I'm going to put it on the big screen. Watch this on the 2 minute. Look at the 9. That's this white line right here. Look at this. You see this? That just tells you all I want to do is make money right here. See it? It's glorious. Oh, that's nice right there. That pull. Oh my. That's $1 million pull. Me likey like. Good job. Yeah, those of you that are tuning in, by the way, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. This is American Dream Trading. I've been in the stock market now for 33 years. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company in the country, if not the world. I'm not sure, so I can't say it, but for sure in the country. We are here live every single day. Oh, I like this move, Palm.
Order filled.
We are live every single day, 3 times a day.
Order filled.
Nice. We're here 3 times a day. I'm here 9 to 11. Mark is then trading futures with you from 2 to 4. And then we have the aftermarket show where we discuss the entire day and what happened and everything that's going on in the market. All sorts of good stuff. Glenn over on TikTok says he's having a problem logging into Discord this morning. Yes, make sure you're using the correct email. If you do not use the correct email that you originally signed up with, you will have a problem. What platform do you usually place the trades? Usually I'm on Webull. But you can use anything you want, right? In 33 years, I've pretty much used every single one of them. Good job, Noonie. Nice work. Proud of you.
Yes, coach.
It's beautiful. It's glorious.
Coach, could
Yes.
you look at RGTI?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice. That's beautiful. You been in that?
No, sir. I just saw it and I was like, wow, it's going straight up.
Yeah, that's amazing. If I was you, though, I would be printing my butt off on Apple, right? Like that's
It
all.
looks like Bruno's printing an apple. He
Oh.
just posted a screenshot.
Oh, good. Good. Go with the flow and hammer it, right? There's no reason to be looking at anything else. Apple is your payday today, everybody, right? You should all be
That's right.
heavy. Heavy. Puts.
Yes, if anybody
Coach.
of the less experienced want to see what an account changer is, you should be in Apple.
Oh, for sure. That's
And don't forget to tell in paper account.
yes, and paper trading account only, not real money. This is not financial tax or investment advice. Make sure you guys have stops in each and every trade. Thank you. We're setting you guys up for success. Do whatever you want with that information.
And if you can't fit Apple into your budget, you could always do the small stocks. So AAPD would be buying a stock version of Apple going to the upside today, since we're going to the downside in the underlying. AAPD runs the inverse of it.
There you go.
Yep, and they move slower.
There you go.
Hey, David,
Yes, sir.
is it safe to say 240 is the next level for Apple? 240.02?
Yeah, I just posted that in the Apple chat. Yeah, that one's been previously strong in the higher time frames.
All right.
Bella says, how can I start my stock market journey? Go to americandreamtrading.com, sign up for a free Discord. If you guys sign up for one of my premium memberships, use the discount code 2025 to take 25% off the first payment. Oh, I like that on SPY. Ooh, that's in a nice spot now.
Order filled.
Yeah, it is.
It really is, because it's already been sitting here for a while. Come on, baby, a little more.
Double bottom.
There it goes.
Still in it. I've been picking it up off the 21.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Just scooped up another $375.
Gotta go to that 20-cent mark.
Look at that. Beautiful up there on SPY. Love it.
Order filled.
Gonna go in smaller on this one just because I'm catching the tail end of it.
609.20 is everything.
Look at that. Oh my.
Watch for a little bit of profit right there.
Yeah, I just took mine out.
It's gonna go 609.72.
Look at that. Oh, I told you, didn't I say that looked so bullish because of the way it was staying up real high?
Yeah, move my stop up.
Oh. Good job, everybody.
37 to 40 is another profit. Yeah, just crushed it.
Wow. Just beautiful.
That's far enough to hold the 20-cent mark now, so that's bullish to the 50-cent mark now.
Yeah, I went in real small here.
Long as that pullback doesn't break the 620. I mean the 20-cent mark.
Yep.
Critical support, breaking. Can they regain it?
Yeah, because if not, we could look for that move back to that 609 again.
Yep.
Apple making lower lows still. My goodness. Oh, this.
Right.
Yep, this is
holding.
Yep, it is.
Order filled.
I just added.
Oh, we got a shot at the 50-cent mark if they got the guts to do it.
Right.
Come on.
Yeah.
I'm checking out.
Yeah, don't fade on me. Same. I went heavy right there.
Hey, I've been picking my calls off the 21 every time.
Yep.
Go. Big push. Come on.
Yeah, it's got to do it right here.
Yep. Otherwise they're gonna check it out and flush it.
Yep, I agree. It's holding the line. Hold. Hold. Oh man.
You're right at the 5 candle, Coach. Right at the 5 candle.
I am up there so high with it, dude. I'm 15 deep on it. Come on, it's right there. It goes. There it goes.
Oh, come on, 43 or better.
Just took it. Another $300. Nice. And I am done trading for the day.
Hi, it's Charlie from Magnum Point. How are you?
Uh-oh.
Good, you just called looking for it.
I got it. Charlie from
Coach, is that
Magnum PI.
Is that the Halloween thing you keep singing?
Oh, that one was, yep.
Okay. Let's try to place it.
So, what I was doing here, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, is this was a prop firm account. So, what I did is I opened this prop firm account yesterday, and the goal was you have to make $9,000, and there is a 50%, what do they call it? A 50%. Oh, what the hell do they call it?
Drawdown.
No, not the drawdown. It's where you can't go over 50% average.
Consistency.
Consistency rule. So yesterday, which is hilarious, yesterday I ended up making like, what was it? $7,500 or no, yesterday I did 9,500, but I didn't realize I had a consistency rule because they changed it. Before it was a 1 day, now you have to do 2 day minimum. And I was like, oh crap. So I actually lost some money, if you know what I'm saying, to get it back down to 5,500. And then today, right, went after it again. I only needed 3,500 or above, made the 9,000, boom, done. So I'll have a certificate today again, done. That's it.
That's funny shit. You had to reel it back.
Isn't that
Do you
funny?
get to keep that money when you make it, or how does that work? Those accounts.
Come over to Futures and I'll train you on it. There's a whole bunch of stuff to it.
Okay. All right, cool.
Yep. So, anyways, that is done. Let me show you guys my screen. Started. It was a 150K account. Let me show you. Looks like this. Right here. See the equity? 159. All I needed was $9,000. Pull up, boy. That's like at 150K account, $9,000. That's hilarious. That's like I could do that in my sleep. So very nice, and we're done. That's it. Done. Just like that. This is one of
Sold
our.
off in the 50 cents and bought the puts.
Oh, nice
Coach,
job.
what do you think of AMD? Sorry.
Apple new low a day. AMD. Wait for it to break this 200, and then you're golden to the upside up until you got to start watching 119.50-ish. So if I were you and I'm not an AMD, wait for the break and hold of 119.50-ish. But
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. But I love it above that 200. It's just then you're going to run right into a wall within 10 cents. All right. Where's my Apple 2-minute EWO gang? You guys, everybody in that room. By the way, and I don't want no freaking excuses. Everybody in that room. Head over and get your diamond membership today because you all made that much money. Love your faces. Good job. Everybody, get over there. Diamond. Let's go. Show your support.
Coach, you should look at the last candle on Apple. Look at that pull.
Yeah, I see it. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we have support at 240 for Apple.
Nice job. And by the way, congratulations to 2 of our members on over $1 million in real money profits this month. Congratulations. You guys know who you are. Nice work. That, by the way, is the second month in a row for one of my moderators making over $1 million. Or is it third? I think it's second. In a row. Nice job.
Second.
Second. Nice job. Did you ever think you'd be churning butter like that, my friend?
That's a lot of butter, buddy.
Yes, sir. That's the American dream trading butter.
That's it.
It's all gold, silver and gold. Oh, that's awesome. Nice work. Good job. Oh, King Jomo says, made 800 today so far. Still good for me. Yeah, excellent. Excellent. Over on TikTok. Nice work. Glad to see it. Noonie, by the way, another green day today. Another green day today. That should be exactly as of today. 4 months, 1 red day. Let me repeat that. 4 months of trading, 1 red day. That's how it's done. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. Who's signing up for our diamond membership today? You guys can have 4 easy payments. Let's come on. Who's going to show the love and support for American Dream Trading? Get over there. Get your diamond membership. Lifetime everything. Do we have anybody that's getting last day? Anybody adding any new services? Anybody VIP going gold? Anybody in this gold going mastermind or mentorship? What's going on? Talk to me. All right. What do you recommend for day trading? You're talking about brokerage? Weeble's fine. If not, Interactive Brokers is good. Whatever is in your area. About to sign up for trading on your course. It's not a course. We train you. Yeah, it's not some easy course stuff. Oh, yeah, that's fine. You can use that. Yep. I would recommend, though, Weeble. In Europe, Interactive Brokers, just make sure you can trade it in your region. Yep. Can NVIDIA fill its gap soon? Let me take a look. So technically, it just did. This is your double. Look at that double top on NVIDIA. You guys see it?
Yep.
What do you do if your orders don't go through by the end of the day? Leave it open or cancel? No, get them out of there. Never leave an order anywhere. Nope. 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 How are we doing on Apple over there, everybody? Christina, you still alive? She's making so much money. She don't even know what to do.
I'm here.
How?
I got a couple stragglers left in Apple.
Okay. Did you do all right today?
I did okay. 1,300. I'm still at that. Yeah.
By the way, she said, I did okay. Who would like to make $1,300 in an hour?
I had some of those days where it was so much, and then you're like, it just, you know what I mean.
I
You know
do.
what I'm
I just need 300 to quit my job, man. 1,300 would be amazing.
Right?
saying?
You hear that, Christina?
Good job, Christina. Good job, Christina.
Thank you.
Now, remember, Christina, you were working with a larger pool too, right? So,
I know.
yeah.
I'm getting there now. It's building up.
Oh, that's what I want to hear.
Building up. Yesterday, in 6 minutes, I made $700.
Good
Right
job. Good job.
So that was good. But yeah, I'm building back up.
Good.
I'm doing good now. Yeah.
Good, good.
Thank you.
Yes.
I had to get it back.
Love
get
it.
my jam back on.
Love it, love it. Oh, Ange over here just crushing it. So proud of her. Ange says, went with the big boys using coach's scalping techniques. She's up $3,180. My gosh.
Nice
Crushing
job,
it.
Ange.
Woo!
Go in.
Milk money.
Love it.
Milk money.
Love it. By the way, listen, I'm serious with this, you guys. Listen, 4,000 a day is $1 million a year.
Oh.
4,000 a day, right? So when you guys are like, oh, I don't know how much, 4,000 a day, you are a 7-figure trader. And just so you know, when you guys get up to $1 million a year, you will be some of the best stock market traders in the world. Right? You will be making way more than these hedge fund managers and all these. more than everybody over sitting over there on Wall Street, right? Minus the people that own the hedge fund managers and all that. But I'm just saying, for a retail trader, you will be some of the best in the world stock market traders. Think about that for a minute. Okay? I mean, we have people doing it per month now, but you know what I'm saying, right?
Awesome.
Good job, Ange. That's a lot of coffee and manicures, girl.
Yeah.
Hell
it is.
yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
it is.
Dawn, hey, Dawn,
Ditch both of them.
hey, Dawn, do not look at TCTM. Do not look at TCTM.
Oh,
I know. I stopped looking at it. I'm not buying into the FOMO. Wherever it went, great. I made like mad money off of it.
Good job.
It's approaching 90 cents.
I figured it might do that, but I took my money. I'm good.
Good job. Yeah,
Awesome.
Good
Talk
job.
about Ange. And she quit her job, right, Coach?
That's right. Absolutely retired, right, from being here at American Dream Trading within a year, I believe.
Yeah.
4 months, year. I don't remember now. I haven't talked to Ange in a while. She's working diligently over in the futures area, getting it done.
Coach, I'm retired. Did you know that?
I did. Baba says, how much is it to join the group?
A lot.
How about free? It's free to join the group. It's free. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up. Free Discord. Once you guys are ready, then you can sign up for our regular premium membership, which will get you all of this Zoom access with all of us, right? There's typically 400 to 600 people in here. You'll get training and trading every day from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. All the hot stock picks, all the pre-market setup, all of the videos on demand, the IPO center. You guys will have a live open microphone. You can ask any questions all day long. $125 per month. And you can use a discount code to take 25% off the first payment. That's incredible. That's a ridiculous value. Ridiculous.
Hey, Coach, Tesla New High Day.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, it's way back up on that ceiling, though. We had that 418. Just be careful. Yes. Good job, Danny. What's the code? It's 2025. You sign it up now? Good. I'm looking forward to working with you. It's 2025 is the discount code. Go to American Dream Trading. You'll see the regular premium, right? It'll say stocks and options. Click here. It'll take you to another screen. There's a promo code. Put in 2025. Click apply, and it will show you what it's going to cost for the first month, and then it will recur at the regular rate of $125. But it'll take 25% off that first payment. Obviously, the farther out you go, the more you'll save, because if you buy a yearly, which I don't know, what is the yearly cost now? I don't know what the annual is. We lowered all of our prices, so I have no idea. I don't know. We lowered our prices so much that I don't even know. How's that sound? Good job.
All right, Coach, I'm not going to be able to make the breakout room today.
No worries. You're going to go celebrate? You're going to go do the dance?
Yes, I am. I struggled today, so it's worth a celebration.
Talk to me. How did you do today? How did you wind up?
$400 above what I was trying to get to. That was it.
Nice job. Good job. Proud of you, man. Nice work. Now, I don't know, is this your first 7-figure month?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. How's that feel?
Oh, that's great.
I remember you used to laugh when you go into the bank, right? Could you imagine now if they saw it? Like, what in the world? Just throw one of our hats on the counter, right? And walk out. Just don't even say anything. Throw it like a Frisbee and then walk out.
They just amazed. They can't figure it out. They think I'm a drug dealer.
Right. They can't fathom it, right?
Yeah.
$1 million in a month. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Good job, partner. Proud of you.
Thank you.
Coach, he's helped so many people
He
because
has.
of your training.
He has. Continues to help constantly. I love it.
Did
Troy.
great.
Troy, I see you. Troy just joined us. Troy,
Boy.
welcome. Yes, make sure you link your Discord now. You're going to get an email. It's basically a welcome email from me at Chad at American Dream Trading. Make sure you check that, all right? And do the instructions. It'll show you how to verify your account. It will get you connected. You'll have immediate access. As soon as you link your Discord, you'll have immediate access, okay? Welcome. Welcome to the party. Oh, by the way, because you just added a new service, now how cool would this be if Troy won $10,000? Huh? On the last day, the buzzer beater, because he got a new service today. So you are automatically entered, by the way, to win up to $10,000, right? There's going to be one lucky winner we're going to pull out of everybody that, in the month of January that got a new or upgraded a membership. One, he said, I'll be good with that. One person is going to win up to $10,000. That would be cool
Hey,
if that
Coach.
was you. Yes.
Is that Troy DB?
Says Troy G.
Troy G. Okay. I had my brother-in-law sign up. I'm not sure if he did it this morning or not.
Oh, very cool. This is Troy off of TikTok.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So Troy, if you can hear me, make sure you link that account, right? Get your Discord on there. Oh, I see it. I think I see it. Yep, I see it. So you get immediate access. Go over to the Zoom room. You should have unlocked all of the channels. By the way, once a week, we just did the training yesterday. Yep. So Troy, go to Discord right now. You're going to see everything. Hell, you can jump on the microphone and say hello if you want. I mean, it's live. You are in the group now. There's 400 of us in here right now.
Hello. That's how you do it. Hello.
Yeah, just get in. Can I start 2K on my Weeble? Then can I join the premium? I would not do it that way. Join the premium, get the training, then and only then look at using real money. Do not start with real money. Don't do that. Just save yourself. I'm being serious. I know the little kids at TikTok and YouTubers and all that crap will be like, just go in. No. Don't do that.
Thanks, Coach.
I lost 2K my first month, buddy.
Yeah.
Go to paper.
Don't ever use real money for anything when you're starting out. That's silly.
Coach, I wanted to thank you for the AMD help earlier.
Oh yeah, are you crushing it on that?
Yeah, I made $17,944.
Oh my gosh, nice job. Yeah, hit it. Look at it to the penny, partner. 119.49. Right, let's look at it. I had marked 119.50. Remember, I said don't go long unless it breaks 119.50. Look at what it did, everybody. It hit 119.45 and pulled back, crashed. That's awesome. Did you say you made $17,000?
Isn't he one of your diamond members?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Been
absolutely.
around for a while.
Yes, nice job. Did you say you made $17,000 on that trade?
Yeah, I went a little bit heavy. I had 300 contract.
What a rock star. Yeah, and look at it. It's trying to pull right here, right? Look at this thing.
Yeah. But since you called the line earlier, I've been trading it in and out, in and out, in and out.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Just be careful. You got VWAP right here, and everything is bunched together. So take a look at this, partner. Right here, you see how it's all jammed together?
Yes.
So this one you got to be careful of. Just like if I shorted it below VWAP, well, then I've got to be careful right here. So in my head, if I was looking at this and I wanted to short it again, I'd actually wait till the break of this 118.30 range. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Because if I try to short right at VWAP, it could get close, bounce, trying to get back up to this 9. Just like right now, I don't want to long this, everybody, because it's jammed up. And if I longed it right here, let me show you the next level of resistance is right here. See it?
Mm-hmm.
So what I want to do is if I'm going to be working this one now, I want to wait for the break of that 119.04 to get you to the 200 to get you back to 119.50. And if I'm looking at to the downside, I want to wait to the break of 180.30 to get our moves to the downside on those. So just be mindful of what's around there. See, and look at that bounce.
Mm-hmm.
So right here, we get a break now. This 119.04, we're going to get a ride to the 200 most likely, right? So here we go. There it is. There it is. Now that's technically the 200, just so you know. Right there's your 200. There's your upside. Shed. If it breaks the 200, I'll add. If it pulls back, I'm out. Waiting for the next setup. Make sense, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Over and over. Harold from West Palm Beach, could you please tell me if you're working S&P 500 futures? I was trading ES earlier, but I was showing you guys it with SPY, right? Because I can trade them both at the same time. So as long as I'm watching SPY, I can get a pretty good idea of ES, right? You can see SPY right here. Still not breaking that 609.50. See it pulling all the way back down to the 21. Apple, still heavy. Apple hit 240. Oh my gosh. David, how we doing over there, partner? You doing all right?
Yeah, 133% on the. I got one last little runner, but so what I see a lot of times in the one-on-ones where people talk about that they miss the rest of the run because they choke up their stops too quick. Well, we talked about that example earlier when we were in the middle of the run and we came down and we tested around that. We were talking about the double bottom, right? And we saw the little bit of a rejection, and we finally broke the 9.
Yep.
That little rejection right there cost us from 100% in the contracts to about, it was maybe about 50 something percent. So we lost about 40 something percent on our contracts in just a small breathe back.
Yes.
And so I know a lot of people, when they get into the green, they want to try to capture as much as possible, and they're chasing that dollar every single play, and so they move the stops up way too quick. And so I see that sometimes you need at least that 20 to 25% throughout the trade to continue these runs. And so now we had this second test where here we got down to 240, and so this breathe back from 240 to where we're currently sitting right now, we lost about 30 something percent.
Yep.
So we shouldn't have moved up our stops that quick and that close. So I'll leave my stops way far back.
Oh, Johnny.
And then if I want to save off, I cancel a stop and then I sell off. Or if I'm really just trying to collect profit, I could do that. But for runners, if it's my last runner, my stop is way far away from the action.
I agree. And remember what I said too, right? The farther you guys bought in, right? Meaning the more room you have, the more I want my stop opened up. In the beginning, we've got that tighter stop right now. In your guys' case, at 25 to 40. But the farther it goes away from what I bought it, the more rope I give it. I want it to just be, open it up, because then I can let it have all these peaks and valleys and work, right? As long as we're still trending to that downside, which clearly we are, leave it the hell alone. And now I want you guys to think about this too, right? And we've talked about this before, and I'll pull this up on the big screen. Right? If you look at VWAP, everybody in here knows if you're shorting and you've got that last 10% or the last contract or whatever you're in, you already know to get out at VWAP. But here's the beauty of the trend line. So I want you guys to look at this. I'm going to flip this to a 2-minute. So think about it. If we got in on the 2-minute, which is around here, okay? So this is where we bought, all right? And we're down here, right? Trending obviously to the downside, even if it came back up and that last final one broke and held through here. This is all still profit, right?
Yes, sir.
All of this. So why am I worried at all about any of this, right? This last one, this is how much room I've got. See it?
Well, and I created the habit based on your words where you always say, I'd much rather let it breathe,
Yes.
even if it comes back to break even.
That's right.
So I started doing that a year and a half, 2 years ago. I
Yep.
started leaving my runner stop loss way down there just to protect me. If I've already made money on the trade,
That's right.
my runners can literally go back to break even and I still make money.
That's right. Yeah, because you've
And
already
so
collected
they're just floating
90%.
back there. They're just chilling in the
Yep.
background, and I'm over here kind of just watching the levels. And
Yes.
okay, it's not a reversal; it's just a small breathe back. It's still
That's
in the
right.
lower channel. I'm still below the EMAs, and
That's right.
that seeing those EMAs is so helpful for the visual person.
It
And so
is.
for me, I'm real visual. I just love being able to see that.
Yeah, for sure. And then, right? And then like this. So it's respecting the 21. I can add. Right? So even if I got my 10%, and this is what I've talked about before, only for advanced traders, obviously. But here is why. Right? So it's down here. Let's say I shed, I'm on my last 10%, whatever it is. That's fine. It comes up to here. Pulls back, it respects it, pulls back. I add. The reason is, and this is the beauty of it. Now, this is advanced only. Okay? Don't get all confused if you can't do it, if it freaks you out, if you're not experienced in 2-minute EWO, if you're not green every day, don't listen to this. This part isn't for you yet. This is where we add. So if I add right here, let me get rid of all my chicken scratches. If I add right here, the beauty of this one add is, well, guess what? If it breaks above the 21, I can get out. So this is why. If this is where I entered, and this is my risk, and it stays below the 21, all of this is my reward off the new one that I've added. Because if the new one that I added goes immediately against me, I'm out of the new one. I'm still holding the old one. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach.
That is the
Yes.
beauty of it. So when you see it respect this level, that's where I'll add. Just like right here. If this now starts to respect this 9, I can add. Right? Now, right now, it is, just so you guys know, it is not below the 9. It is not respecting the 9 right here. It's respecting the 21. Okay? So, and the reason is because all the candles keep popping up to the 21. I want to see it get back down into here, right, candles. Then I could add again. Make sense? SPY, new high day. Yeah, if this starts to now fade and curl under the 9, you guys know you're super bearish. But otherwise, this is still respecting the 21 only. I hope you guys understand the difference there. I want it to be back below the 9, getting away from my 21, giving me that bearish setup again, okay? SPY, new high a day.
And then you probably see the same thing, but for me, I wouldn't consider it a real curl back for like showing that it's weak to the downside over until we get back over like the 241.70,
Oh,
75
yeah.
area.
Yeah, I agree. And I'll be looking for that boot pattern, right? This isn't a boot, right?
Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, I want to see it'll look like a big hook, right? Like it's coming back. Yeah, and honestly, I wouldn't even look at a reversal area till around 243. See it here?
At the top of the other one, yeah, the other hump.
Yep, because if you guys look at it here and here, so this time, and right, if you think about it too, it would have broke here, 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 major level spike. So you guys have all of this before I'd worry about my last one.
But see, so what I think I hear a lot of times is people will be holding on. Maybe if they only had one, maybe they sat through all this crap and then they hold and hold and hold, and then it goes back to the point where they lost on their one. So that's why we say it's real. Even for me personally, it was very, very hard to hold on all day long when I only had one position. Even when I had less than 5 positions, it was very hard.
Right. Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
What about re-entering,
Coach.
David or
Oh.
Coach?
Right now.
Re-entering.
Like Coach said, just I like if I'm scalping or I'm adding in a good little continuation under the 9 or above the 9 in my direction. So like right now, I wouldn't be looking to get a little baby scalp back to the upside. I'm more likely to make money if I get a confirmation and we hold back below the 9 because I'm already going with the trend and I can capture something out of that.
Yeah, I agree.
Gotcha.
Yep,
Thank you, thank you.
absolutely. Just like
TCTM, hold it to upside.
oh, nice
Resuming
job. 500.
30 seconds.
Yes,
Coach is $1.17. It's crazy.
550%. Isn't it great? The hot stock picks, we do that all the time. By the way, if you guys are watching, we pick stocks all the freaking time that are up over 500%. Just so you know, this is not out of the norm. This is another day at the office. Right there, you see how now Apple is respecting your 9? That's an add point, yes?
Yep, and like you said, it's easy because if in the next candle it goes right back over the 9,
I'll just
okay,
get
it
out.
wasn't doing, it's not a continuation of what I wanted.
Right. Right, and it costed nothing. The risk is zero. The reward is
And you have a lot of
everything.
space because for Apple, from 250 to 240, where our last rejection was at, the contract can move in 50 cents, a pretty decent amount. So if I know I have at least that much of a gap, there's a more of a better possibility that I can ride it to that rather than, well, I lost a little bit of it because it curled back against me, but the reward is a lot better in that add-on.
Yes, absolutely. How did your day? I'm going to be taking off. How did your day wind up? I know you still got one in there. Did you lock in
I
profits?
still got one left. So technically, if I close right now, it'll be one, my top one or at least top two.
Yeah.
And so it's 50, I'm right at 57.91 right now, floating back and forth. And so my best day ever was just over 5,800.
He's at $5,800, ladies and gentlemen. That is so impressive. So proud of you. Just crushing
Thank you, sir.
it.
It's all due to the training and the personal discipline. I tell everybody that one of our best tools as traders is discipline. We can have all the rules. We can know exactly what coach tells us, but until we find the discipline to follow those rules, we're going to be chasing our tails.
That's right. Absolutely.
What's the homework, Coach?
1 second. We got a brand new member literally just rolled in the door. Elliot. Elliot just got a VIP and gold complete using the discount code 2025. Elliot just saved $1,250 and is now automatically entered for a chance to spin the wheel of cash up to $10,000 reward. One lucky winner coming soon. I'm going to be heading out in a second. Let me get through. If you guys have a question, pop it up. TCTM is now 620%. Noonie, go.
Coach up $770.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm still in on TCTM 500 shares. Not a lot, just small amount.
Oh, and it's still going. Look at this. It's still
Yeah,
rocket
thank
ship.
you, Coach.
Good job. Nice work.
I want to hear it.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Use your stops, everybody, please. Once it gets up to this, 600, 700, 1,000%, just please be careful. Elliot, though, welcome. Congratulations. We look forward to working with you every day. You've unlocked so much. I mean, ridiculous amounts of training, information. You now get to work with other traders that are inside of the room that are millionaires. You are now fishing with the big boys and girls. Congratulations. I see some hands up, but I want to answer this question. Hannah over on TikTok says, what's the number one thing you would say to beginner traders? Well, that's tough. The number one thing that I would say is train before you trade. If that's all I could suggest, I would also suggest finding a mentor, whether it's me or somebody else. Just find somebody that you trust with a proven success track record, right? Which is my members or whatever they have. Now, listen, some of the mentors out there, right? They're making buttloads of money on trading. That's great, but are they great trainers? They might be a great trader, but how much training are you getting? And there is a huge freaking difference, right? So just find somebody you trust. And then, of course, I would say don't use real money in the beginning. Train, train, train. Great questions. All right, I got some hands up. James, go ahead.
Hey, Coach. So I have just paid for the monthly membership so far. I've been here since last Friday, so just kind of trying to get a feel for everything.
Nice.
And I noticed there's a lot of emphasis on managing your trades once you're in the trade.
100%.
But I haven't heard as much about exactly when to enter the trade and why. And I was wondering if we could start throwing some more focus on entries, purpose for entering, why you should stay away, why you should be in this, versus managing the trade. Just because in my experience, like I'm not to the point of managing the trade yet. I'm just trying to figure out where is the right place to enter the trade without getting burned.
All I do all day, every day, all I've done all day, every day, all I've done today is told you exactly when to get into every single trade all day. So I'm not sure if you were not here. I'm not sure if I don't know where the disconnect is. I've told you guys at least 87 points of entry today on every trade from we did Google, Spy, Apple, Amazon, Soxel, Tesla. We got some disconnect here. So here's what I want you to do. I want you, when I leave today, ask inside of this moderation room so they can find out exactly what specifics you need. Because what I need you to know is, number one, we're not a call-out group. We won't be telegramming and saying, buy at this level. You will hear me say, and I've said it, I don't know, 120 times today, maybe, exactly when I got into every single trade and why, literally, and why today. So I completely, now listen, you're new here, so just hang out. I appreciate the question, but seriously, all day long, everybody in the room, haven't we been discussing when to get in it, why to get in it, where not to get in it, when to go long and when to go short all day long? Am I right? Or am I?
That's pretty much how he starts every conversation when he's training us.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
What you have to do is drown out all the other voices and listen to the coach's voice.
Like beep 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 beep.
Yeah.
We talk about that just about in every breakout room.
Yeah, and it's I mean, it's all day, right? I told you above 609 go. I told you below don't. I told you exactly. I mean, I made 30 live trades today and told you guys exactly why I was doing what I was doing, when I did it, when I got in, when I got out, why I did what I did.
Just to be fair to the gentleman, Coach, it sometimes takes time to get used to listening to the sound of your voice.
It does. And there's a lot of chatter and there's a lot going on and people are making money and doing the things and lots of call outs and these things are moving. But this is what I don't want. And this is what usually happens because you guys come from these cheesy shit ass discords, right? What I don't want is you guys are looking for Apple buy a call at 241.44. We don't do that. Number one, that's illegal. Just so you know, that's an SEC violation. I don't know if you know that or not, but these little goofball kids doing that bullshit with these call-out rooms, that's all illegal. I don't know if you know that, right? Okay, good. So if you guys are in these crap-ass call-out rooms, when you come over here, it's going to be different. I'm going to train you on why, and I say why. I tell you, don't go into this because it's doing that. Watch for 609. I can see it's right. It's channeling to the upside. I even drew the trend lines of why it's going where it's going. And I said, if it breaks here, it's going to push to the upside. I mean, so here's what I need when you guys first roll in the door. And I know it's going to be completely different than these rooms that nobody does anything. Listen to what I'm saying and take notes. Right? At least 80 times today, I've told you guys exactly what I was doing, why I was doing, and when I was doing it. There's no gray area. Apple, I literally just went through an entire training class. We just did it in here, a master class.
And
Adding
we
an
said we
Apple
would
to the
add under
downside.
the
We
9.
literally had a 20-minute discussion on Apple, and I said, add right here below the
Yes,
9.
sir. Yes,
Yep.
sir.
And why?
Tested 240.
And then every time somebody asked you, Coach, can you take a look at, and whatever stock it was,
There it is.
you gave a breakdown and said, oh, I like it if we stay under this,
Correct.
or I wouldn't get into this until we
Until-
do. So that happens all the time, all day long,
It's-
whenever you're in here, when the moderators
Yes.
are in here. So
Yes.
whenever somebody asks a question, pay attention. So Coach will answer exactly what he would do at that moment. So he's not going to take a trade every
Correct.
single time somebody calls it out, but he gives you the two opportunities of
Correct.
wait for confirmation above or wait for confirmation below. If you just throw a dart at the board to see what happens, you're not going to find any success.
Correct. So anyways, thank you. But yeah, we're doing it every day. But if you still are struggling, you got to listen. So again, it could be a communication disconnect. Maybe that's why I said get with the group and say, hey, well, this is what I'm hearing and this is what I'm seeing. And maybe, right. And we'll work it out. But I'm all day, every day, literally hundreds of call outs, right? Of where, why, when, and then I break it down and then I draw on the screen and this is why I'm going to do what I would do. And then I even get into the trades and I'm into the trade and this is why I'm in the trade and I'm going to get out of the trade because this is why I got out of the trade like it's all day long. You cannot get any more clear cut than what we are doing in here. Deal? Okay, good.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah, but we will never, ever call out when you should buy and sell. That's not what we're in here for. Those are shitty rooms with a bunch of clown asses. That's why they don't make hundreds of millions of dollars. They're ass clowns. So if you guys are in rooms of telegrams, WhatsApps, follow my trades, any of that, ass clowns. Next.
Hey, Coach.
Yes, I got to get through these hands. But go.
Just this is just repeats from your advice over the past, and especially for somebody new coming in. There is a lot going on in their head when you're making these call outs.
Correct.
And just from your own advice over the past, if he takes and picks 1 to 2 stocks and you tune everything else
Yes.
out of your head that you're hearing and only wait till you hear those couple of stocks that you are specifically watching to get an idea of how they run, how they move. And then when you are looking at those stocks, that is when you tune in. Everything else, tune it out and find one style, like you said. Find one style of trading. If it's the
Absolutely.
2-minute EWO, focus on that.
Yep.
Get to know those stocks
I agree.
and start there and
Yes.
tune everything else out, just what you're focusing on.
Absolutely. And because you're new, I want you guys to know this, right? There's only 2 stocks you should be looking at. 2. Ford and Apple. And we talk about Apple all day, every single day. Now, also, if you guys were in here in the pre-market and or a VIP member, what did I say the trade would be at the open? There was only one setup, one trade we talked about in full length, in discussion, and I told everybody why, when, how, and what to do. What was that?
Apple put at the open.
There it is.
Apple put it over.
That's
Watch
it.
drop. They're gonna take money.
Yep. And
Apple.
somebody else was even having us looking at other stocks. And I said, there's one stock you should be watching right now. Apple.
When also for the regular members and the live members, right before the market opened, you said 248 is going to be everything. If we can't break it, it's not going to do it.
That's right.
So even the free members got it.
Yes, absolutely. So again, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, last 3, and then I got to go. Jay Waffle, go.
Hey, two things really fast.
Yes.
Have you ever heard of the paper trade account resetting itself? And second of all,
Nope.
you got a clown college on the YouTubers. What's the movie?
I
And
missed
have a good
this.
weekend.
Oh, I missed the second part, but is it the homework question?
Yeah.
What was last weekend's homework? I had a moderator pick it out.
Pineapple Express.
Pineapple Express. That's awesome.
Pineapple Express.
Yes. All right. Now who picked that? Was it David?
No, it was me,
Eric.
Coach.
It was Eric. David, we're going to have you do the homework.
Oh shit! Well, if it's me, it's got to be Up in Smoke.
I was just now listen. This is freaking hilarious. When I was thinking it, by the way, the first thing I was thinking is Cheech and Chong. I was like, we got to get a Cheech and Chong in there. I swear to God, when I said your name, it's the first thing I was like, we got to get a Cheech and Chong in there. Up in Smoke, baby.
Oh, Up in Smoke.
Yeah, that's the
Up in Smoke.
Love it.
Yes.
I'm in on that one.
I'm excited. I haven't seen that in so long.
Me either, coach. I can't wait to watch that again.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it's been decades.
That's
I'm talking
phenomenal.
since teenage years. I was about to say that.
That's
My
phenomenal.
dog ate my stash.
Yes, that's so awesome.
Just to reiterate,
Apple.
hold on real quick.
Yes.
Just to reiterate Coach's point, to listen to his voice, my contracts on Apple are at 183%.
That's crazy. And I even
Thank
said
you,
where to,
thank you, David.
and I
Thank
said
you.
where
And the
to
first
add
part-
in. Remember, I said where to add in again, right?
Yes, sir.
It's
That's
beautiful.
when I got in, Coach.
Yes.
When you said add, I had
Yes.
it taken out. Add, I'm in. I'm $150 right there.
That's awesome. That's
Let's
awesome.
go.
And the first part of that question, coach.
Yes.
First part of that question was, have you ever
reset?
heard of
No.
your paper
Nope.
trade account resetting itself?
I have not. Nope.
Yeah, mine did. I was doing some longs and it went back to reset. So I don't know what happened. But anyway,
That's weird. Well, if you know what the number is, you can actually you can reset the number again.
correct. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I just
Yeah, but you're right. No, I've never seen that. That's a weird glitch for sure. Bear
Okay.
Cub, go ahead. Last two questions. I got Bear Cub and then Maria. Go ahead.
Just to help out the new person joining, Coach always has Spy and Apple up. And so you can track what he's doing and why he's doing it. And then you can drown out everything else. Occasionally, like today, I asked for help on Google and
Yep.
he said, above this level, you should be fine.
Yep.
That was $2 ago, 204.50. And he said, as long as you're above that,
Oh, yep.
you should be fine. So, if you're interested in a stock, you can chime in and ask about it. But for the most part, while you're training, just listen to what coach is following, and just focus on a couple stocks, and then you'll be just fine.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, and try to pick like 2 or 3 that you love. And listen, we do it all the time. If you're like, hey, coach, can you look at Amazon? Hey, can you look at Soxel? Hey, check out Tesla. I don't have a problem with that. We'll always bounce around. The issue is because there's tens of thousands of stocks. I can't discuss them all, right? But if you got one in particular you want to see, absolutely, we'll look at it, right? If you see something running, we always hop over to it. We always will check out what's going on for sure. So don't ever be afraid, right? Just don't ever be afraid. But again, as soon as I leave, you can start talking to the group, only because I got to go. I'm not trying to push you off, but I'm already right. I literally, my wife brought me food and she's like, please eat it while it's warm. And that's not happening. So I'm trying to get off 30 minutes ago. I was like, no problem. I'll get right off.
All right. Bye, coach.
It's all right.
We've got a culture of helping it. Everyone wants to help you, by the way. Every single person on here wants to help you, starting
Yes,
coach.
yes. We want to make sure everybody in here is getting what you need. That's what you pay for, right? You pay for a service. We want to provide literally the best product and service that we can, hands down. That's our whole goal. So last question, Maria, go ahead.
It's not a question, it's just a comment. It's for small accounts. I started my account this week with 150. I was at 650 yesterday. I took out 500, started with 150 today, and I'm up to 400 today.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Very good job.
Go,
Very,
Maria.
very good
That's
job.
10x, by the way.
Yeah. I'm so proud of myself though, coach. I've had green days and I've had red days, but I'm on an 8-day streak right now. And I was scared today and that's why I took out the 500 because I was like, I'm not losing that, you know? And so I was nervous today, to be honest, but it's been a great day.
Here's what I love
job,
about
Maria.
it. Here's what I love about that though, right? And you should use this as your own lesson, right? The fact that you took all that money out, now your risk is back to 150, no matter what. Worst case scenario today, we lost 150 bucks, right? That's the beauty of being able. So you have controlled your risk by how much you allowed yourself in your account, right? Excuse me. And I love that. If you guys have to reset every day, every week, or once a month, or do it. Why not? Because you think about this. She made what, 600 yesterday or whatever it was. By taking that money out, it would have been impossible to lose that amount, right? Off a cash account. Think about that, right? She could not have lost more than she had in her account. Therefore, she is guaranteed to have a profit this week, right?
Yes, sir.
That's
You did
beautiful.
exactly that with me last year.
It's
exactly
beautiful.
that,
Right.
and it works.
Yeah.
I know, Nana, and I really want to thank everybody. Everybody's amazing, but the mentorship is like, bar none, why I have been able to string 8 days together.
That's awesome.
And I truly believe that. And then also going on the aftermarket with Dawn, that's like, I don't know, it holds me accountable.
Well, yeah, and Dawn's just an amazing person, right? With a real nice wife. So
You gotta check
She's
out Vegan
genius.
Knowledge's YouTube. It's amazing.
It is.
With all her food and dietary
Yes,
information.
Vegan Knowledge, absolutely. Shout out to Vegan Knowledge, by the way. She's going to be trading with us now, which is awesome. So we set her up with lifetime platinum, diamond, gold setup, just because she's been a part of the family for so long with Dawn. So, all right, listen, I'm going to head out. I appreciate all of you being here. Real quick before I go. Open your mics. Did anybody make any money today?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hell yeah,
coach.
coach.
Yes.
Sure did.
Yes.
Good job. Proud of
Hey,
you
Coach,
guys.
everybody knows in the aftermarket for that new guy, and Don always goes over people's trades and explains things, and it's good advertising too.
Oh yeah,
They
for
explain
sure.
everything and help everyone. Let them go online. Let them go on the aftermarket.
Yeah,
and
I
watch and
agree.
listen.
Yeah, we're here all day, every day. So on my sign off, please make sure, right? You guys tune into Mark. He's here every day from 2 to 4, giving out great, valuable information. You guys can see him over there 2 to 4 for futures. You guys, of course, will catch me every day from 9 to 11. And then in the aftermarket with Dawn and the crew, you guys can learn more. They go over a lot of training, a lot of the minds and the mechanics and the psychology of trading. Like there's just so much going on over there because you're always going to have different people that show up. You never know. I like to pop in every now and then. We have some fun. We have some laughs. We go over some stuff. We do a lot of giveaways. We've given away literally thousands and thousands and thousands of freaking dollars over there, right? We have a good time. But again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for trusting me with your time and those of you that have paid with your hard-earned money. I told you guys since the day I walked in the door, I would do everything I can to help you. We will give you every tool and resource we can to help you succeed. We will never give up on you. Just never give up on yourself. By the way, Apple, new low a day. Apple now lost 4% since the open, which is one of the worst. Now think about it. It's not the worst day of Apple because they were 4.5% on the pre-market, but it's lost 4% since the open. All you had to do was listen to the sound of my voice today, right? And that is an account changer, as you heard, right? Some of our moderators making millions of dollars. I just love that. But again,
200% runner.
200?
Yes, sir.
That's just insane. And it's still going. It's still going. So those of you that stopped out, I want you to look at the chart and ask yourself, is it near VWAP yet? If you're an Apple 2-minute EWO trader, is that anywhere near VWAP?
Not even close, Coach.
So why?
No, sir, I can't even see it.
So I can't even see. I love. You can, I can't even see it. I love that. It's just gone. So stop freaking out. Right? Appreciate everybody being here. Thank you to the new members that subscribed today. You guys are awesome. Thank you for all the subscriptions, the follows, the likes, the gifts. I see all of you. Thank you so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you to all my moderators, Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko. Thank you to my media team, Ed and Nick, my TikTok mods, Gilly and Diesel, all my military family, all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Love those. Have a great
All
weekend.
right, Up in Smoke is the homework. Thank you, David. David, I'm so proud of you, man. It's such a blessing to see the people that are working hard. Mark over there, we didn't get to hear from him today. He was busy today. Mark is, just so you guys know, has been making over $4,000 every single day. That is insane, right? So for this month, he's got to be pushing $70,000 this month, right? I told you
That's
guys.
$1 million.
Yes, I told you guys when you turn the corner, right? It's going to come fast. Stay on it, right? Just stay with it. Stay focused. Don't quit on yourselves. Everybody have a blessed weekend. The old man's got to get up. I smell some
You
delicious
too, Coach.
food. I gotta
Thank
go.
you.